Hi friends, welcome to Happy Kids Learning, the place where learning is so much fun. Today we're going to learn the names of all the letters. Are you ready? Let's go.
A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for giraffe. H is for hat. I is for ice cream. J is for jeep. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for parrot. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for sofa. T is for tomato. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for watermelon. X is for xylophone. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to stay connected with us, please like, share and subscribe to the channel.